Hi, my name is Ina Lisette. I am a singer, songwriter, an actress, and a voiceover artist and dubber. I've been singing since I was a little girl, 7 years old, and I wrote my first song when I was 10. All my life, I've always been performing in theater and musicals, and now I am full-time singing, writing songs, and I'm also acting. So I'm so happy and pleased to be an Antibiotics podcast and having a chat over a cup of coffee. Hej, mit navn det er Ina Lisette. Jeg er sanger og sangskriver, jeg er skuespiller, voiceover artist, og jeg er dubber. Jeg har skrevet sange siden jeg var 10, sunget siden jeg var 7 år gammel. Og nu lever jeg af at synge og lave skuespil, og jeg er meget glad for også at være på den her podcast med Antibiotics. Og vi tager en snak over en kop kaffe.
So, first of all, she's one of the nicest people I've ever had the opportunity of speaking with.
Thank
having
you.
a great... No, thank you. And I've had a nice cup of coffee with her as well. Stay tuned in. Please do not forget to give Ina a follow and subscribe to her channel. Link is in the description. Episodes coming very soon. Do not forget to click subscribe, turn on notifications. Wishing everyone all the best. God bless. And again, follow her as well every single step of the way. We'll see you soon. Thank you, Ina.
Thank you.